Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Chevy Trailblazer key fob here. It works for these models 2021 and 2026 and you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery everywhere and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is right on this side, right here, you see this small button. Now, you need to press this button and when you press it this way, you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. Alright, now when you remove the mechanical key, right on this side of the fob, when you hold it with the buttons facing down, you see this hole over here. Now, take the mechanical key and with the tip only, insert it right here in this hole, and when you insert it, just twist it a little bit, push up, and this way you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces like this. So you just need to remove this back piece over here. Now when you separate it into two pieces like this, right on this side, you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, it's very easy. You need to take your small flat screwdriver or the tip of the mechanical key and just insert it here or here, only the tip, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery here in the same place, you need to install the new battery like this, and also it's very important, make sure this side that facing you is with the negative side. So this here is the negative side and this is very important. And now when you insert the battery over here, just take the two pieces again, make sure everything fits together, all corners match perfectly, and just snap them together just like this. And when you snap them together like this, take this mechanical key again and just put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.